Biosecurity in aquaculture refers to the implementation of measures to prevent the introduction and spread of diseases, pests, and invasive species into aquaculture systems. It is a crucial aspect of sustainable aquaculture production as it ensures the health and well-being of cultured organisms, protects the environment, and safeguards the economic viability of the industry. Biosecurity measures help to prevent the introduction and spread of diseases, which can have devastating consequences for aquaculture operations. Diseases can lead to mass mortalities, reduced growth rates, and increased production costs. A healthy and disease-free aquaculture system can achieve higher productivity, leading to increased profits and improved economic returns. Biosecurity measures help to prevent the spread of invasive species and diseases into natural ecosystems, protecting biodiversity and maintaining the ecological balance. A strong biosecurity program can help to ensure that aquaculture products are safe for consumption, boosting consumer confidence and market demand. Common threats include viral, bacterial, and parasitic diseases that can pose significant threats to aquaculture systems, such as viral hemorrhagic septicemia, bacterial gill disease, and parasitic infections like sea lice. Pests, such as sea lice and barnacles, can cause physical damage to cultured organisms and reduce their growth rates. The introduction of invasive species into aquaculture systems can disrupt the ecosystem, compete with cultured organisms for resources, and spread diseases. The biosecurity measures include quarantining individuals upon arrival to prevent the introduction of diseases, maintaining a high level of hygiene in aquaculture facilities, establishing biosecure zones to restrict access and movement, implementing strict water hygiene practices, monitoring aquaculture systems for signs of disease, using vaccines to protect cultured organisms, employing appropriate treatments to address disease outbreaks, and taking measures to control predators that may pose a threat to cultured organisms. Biosecurity failures can lead to significant economic losses due to mass mortalities, reduced production, and increased costs associated with disease control. The spread of diseases and invasive species can have negative environmental consequences, such as habitat destruction and biodiversity loss. Biosecurity failures can erode consumer confidence in aquaculture products, leading to decreased demand and market prices. Effective biosecurity requires collaboration among aquaculture producers, researchers, government agencies, and other stakeholders. By sharing information, resources, and expertise, it is possible to develop and implement comprehensive biosecurity programs that protect the aquaculture industry and the environment.